Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today's webinar, I want us to start off with gold. On gold, so far we're having a very good support here. But this is a resistance. We have a resistance. You can see that just recently, some few days ago, the price broke above 1952.44 and is still above it. So while the price is held above that level, we are expecting that the buyers will continue to push us to the upper side. So we will expect that if the price can retrace back down and touch 1952.44, which is the line here, then that will give us an ideal place to look for a buy from. We are expecting that the buyers will push us again to the upper side, at least up to around 1987.75. So if the price retraces back and touches this line, we are going to look for a buy position here. We expect the buyers to push us up to 1987.75. If the price ascends and closes above this line, then that will be another good place to consider looking for more buy positions from. So as it is right now, buyers are in control. Even though we expect some pullback, but buyers are still in control, and that if the price can retrace back downwards up to this point, then this will give us a good place to look for a buy from. So the other chart which I want us to look at Euro USD. This is in a downtrend. Overall, the price trend. We do have a shape. This is like an ascending converging wedge formation within a downtrend. We had a downtrend, then this is a wedge which is converging, but it's moving upwards. So we are waiting for a sell along this upper trend line. If the price can pull back up and touch this trend line, this will give us the best place to look for a buy from. So we're just going to wait and see what happens. If the price goes and touches this level, if it does not break and close above it, then that will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. If the price should ascend and close above it, which is above this trend line, then we're going to expect a continuation to the upper side up to around 1.07345 level here. If that is broken, our next target is this one. Then we have the first one, the next one is this one, and you have the next target, which is this one here. So this is 1.09430. That's my opinion on that chart. The other chart is GBP USD. With GBP USD so far, this is also bearish. We had a sell place here. So we are expecting that the sellers will continue to push price downwards. So we are looking for sell positions. We expect that the sellers will push us downwards up to around 1.1788. So this right here, this is the best place to look for a sell from up to this point. If this is broken, the next target is this one. So ideally on this chart, we are looking for sell orders up to around 1.19828 to around 1.035 So as I was saying, on this chart, we are looking for sell positions from around this level here. As long as the price does not ascend and close above it, that is the best place to look for sell positions up to this target. The other chart I want us to look at is the US Japanese yen. This is upwards. So we started indicating buy positions on this chart some days ago after the break we had above this line. We're still holding on to that perspective. We expect that the buyers will continue to push us upwards up to around 152.117. So on this chart, basically the price is in an uptrend. We continue to look for buy positions up to around this target 152.117. If the price ascends and closes above it, then that will be another sign that we are now continuing to the upside. So we do expect to look for more buy positions up to the next target, which is this one. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to continue to the upside. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of this analysis. We'll meet again next week on the same time. Thank you and see you. Sorry, let's look at gold first before we end, because we looked at gold before. We need to know exactly where it went. 1 second, it's not gold, it is SP500. So yeah, so it has done exactly as we expected it yesterday. You remember we drew a line along this line, 4311.1. We drew a line here, and we do expect that the sellers will continue to push us downwards up to 4199.9 as long as the price is held below 4311.1, is this line here. We are expecting that we are going to continue to move to the lower side. So we expect the sellers to be in control up to around this level, 4199.1.9. So we keep looking for sell positions, expecting a move up to this level. If this is broken, we expect the price to continue to the lower side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. See you on Monday at the same time.